Welcome guys, Cream Bar back again with another reaction video. Today we're gonna check out the STORMZY Scary music video. This is the diss track to Cadell, that is Wally cousin or brother. I don't really remember if it's cousin or brother, but Cadell sing World War III. That was a diss to STORMZY. So this is STORMZY clapback against that, isn't it? So I'll check out this and see what I'm going. Begin now.
Yeah.
Scary. So STORMZY a battle a brother and a two brother or brother and a cousin.
I'm going away for a bit when I'm back. Nobody saying my name on the track. When I get nervous, when I stop murking, scan round 5 when I'm under attack. Should've thought twice for you.
Oh,
suicidal. When I say sharp, I get a plaque. Difference might come true, all black. Things in the front row screaming out rap. Hashtag murky 2016. Oh, you thought who's gonna fall back? They think that I get paid in brand new clothes. Like why would I mug myself? Plus up on music, gave me a brand new show. Little nigga, I'll plug myself, plug my scene, plug my guys. This thing's more than a buzz, don't lie. Wanna be a G, real fucks, don't cry. Looking at storms that the calm won't die. Fuck boy, soon day with the karma. Leave man pissed like he split with his partner. I ain't got a brand new chain or a rollie. Then I said, mum, buy a business in Ghana, I'll cut that straight. Stop that, start that, get that weight. Man talk grease, but I bet that's fake. Don't boy there, never drop no heat. Therefore, I will not check man's tape. Kick a man's face like on back. Blacked out Adidas kicks in my combats. Please don't put no coke in my cognac. Oh, I ain't one guy. Yeah, pull it up, rewind it. All the gun talk, I don't even mind it. Don't get gas cause you got the headline. You only got it cause I declined it. Then I went to find it. Never been a fluke when I came and timed it. Man, then my shook, better watch the throne now. And if you can't see me, look behind it. Pussy.
Pussy.
Yeah. Scary.
Yo, STORMZY actually looks scared for real, innit, bro? Like if I see me now in dark alley, I'd probably run.
Yo, I'm going away for a bit when I'm back. Nobody saying my name in the raps. When I get angry, man, I move anti, turn Big Mac when I'm under attack. Albums here, can you smell that cooking? Man, wanna chat about the proofs in the pudding. Tell me to shut up, we'll both say shut up. When I say shut up, I get a booking. Difference, box in the face, man, hooking. Hashtag murky events, man, booking. Man, try say when I see him, it's peak. Man, I've been out here for days, stop looking. That loud pack's got a...
What the hell are you?
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
10 like mine, dumb boy can't rip it ends like mine. Put a big strap to your hairline, boy. Push that back, get an M like mine. None of these youths got a pen like mine. Did you hear my man send? I'm dying. Anywhere I go, got my bro with the smoke. Yeah, man, we all need a friend like mine. Them man know that I spun the remix. Try to put faith in the non-believers. Man keep saying that I'm over.
Oh, put up the faith for the non-believers. I wonder if that's the part when Cadell said that he failed at grime, so he started to do gospel. That what Cadell mentioned that in his diss track. So now he's talking about faith and everything. So I wonder if that was the clapback to what he said in his music video. I'm just saying, I'm not really sure about it.
Talk to fight, but not to fight with tools. Drop my pride, I lost the fight in school. On the mic or off the mic, I'm cool. See all the pricks and the hate, I love it. Even though I laugh and my snaps don't chuck it. Everybody's talking like so fuck it. Boy, if I spit on your tune, I'll bust it. Yeah.
Ooh, boy.
Scary. Hashtag Mikey 2016.
STORMZY kind of like a gargoyle, just boy. Honest to God. Alright, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Alright, to tell the truth, which one do you think better? Honestly, because I think World War II, World War III kind of beat that one, I'm not gonna lie. Because the dude, I say a lot of stuff where seem like a diss. You see me? STORMZY just try to defend himself in that one here, to me. So I give Cadell the wins. To me still, I give Cadell the win because the only thing I never like the Cadell thing is the video when it has zoom in all the time. But I think Cadell win that first battle here. Honest to God. You see me? Because this was like a more of a defensive thing. Cadell really like go in on him and certain stuff will make sense. You see me? Because I'm listen to a lot of STORMZY music video and everything, so I can record of my music video and he might mention some stuff that makes sense, you see me? But anyway guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out.